Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox the scent and warmer of the month for March 2020 together. As consultants, we are given the opportunity to purchase kits, whether it be just the scent of the month or the scent and the warmer of the month, every single month so that we can get our hands on these goodies a little bit early to be able to share them with you. So I just got my kit and I am ready to unbox it with you guys. Now, if you have purchased a whiff box from this month, February 2020, then you are given a little sneak sniff tester of the scent of the month for the next month. That's one of the perks of the whiff box. So you may already know what the scent smells like. But the warmer, we are definitely going to unbox together. So in our kits, we get marketing materials. So our little specials flyers. We get a room spray of the scent of the month. The scent is called Spring Has Sprung. You can see it's this really fun, like neon green design. We get our rub and sniff stickers, which is always fun. And then we get a party tester so that we can take our tester along with us to parties and things. We obviously get bars, and then we have the warmer as well. So let's go ahead and talk about this scent. So as I mentioned, the scent is called Spring Has Sprung. And if you saw my unboxing of the whiff box, you know I always like to open up the little tester and sniff it right along with you. It's not my cup of tea, but it's not, I shouldn't say it's not as bad as I was expecting. It's not as in your face powdery floral as what I was expecting. There you have it. So I'm very picky when it comes to floral scents, and this is definitely predominantly floral. So on cold, it really does smell like it's gonna be strong. I get on cold, it's more floral and a little bit woodsy, and there's a little bit like of a lemony zest to it for me personally. So it's fine. If you like florals, this is totally going to be your thing. You guys know me. I'm weird when it comes to florals. I like my more like sweet, non-powdery florals. But it's nice. What I will say, it's better when it's warmed. However, it's crazy light. So I think that's why I find I like it better when it's warmed, because on cold, I feel like it's just going to like drown me out. And normally I really like my scents like that, but if it's a floral, it's gotta be a little on the lighter side. So it's fine. If you like lighter floral scents, this is totally gonna be your jam. And especially if you like those like clean kind of florals, because I feel like that's what this is. So I'll read the official notes because we know my sniffer does its own thing and everybody sniffs a little bit different, but let me tell you what the actual notes from Scentsy are. So let's see here. So Spring Has Sprung, and this is going to be available, both the scent and the warmer will be available starting March 1st, 2020. I don't think I said that yet. Spring Has Sprung. Blooming magnolias. So that's gonna be your florals, the magnolias. Sunny fresh lemons, woohoo! My sniffer did pick up the lemons. And smooth sandalwood signal the return of spring. So I would say my sniffer did pretty good. My sniffer definitely picked out basically all of the notes that Scentsy laid out for us. So I picked up that floral, I picked up that clean lemon, and I picked up that wood note. So it's nice. Like I said, if you like those clean kind of, like a clean floral, then I feel like you're really gonna like this. Is this a crazy powerhouse? No, at least, because obviously I'm just unboxing this, so I haven't had a chance to warm through an entire bar, and I will do that. But just the sample that I got from the whiff box, I had it going in this room with no other warmers on, just the one warmer with the sample in it, and it wasn't even room filling. So, but that's the one sample, and you'll see, if you see that whiff box unboxing, it's a pretty decent sized sample. It's not a chintzy sample. I would say it's equivalent to like 1.5, maybe 2 cubes. So I would say it's a definite like good sample. So I expected to at least like smell it like right when I walked into this room, but I didn't. So it's not, I could smell it when I got right next to the warmer, but it wasn't like room filling. So if you like lighter floral clean type scents, I think you're really gonna like this. So it's nice, but we'll see how I do with a full bar of melting it. One thing that I really love that Scentsy has started doing in our monthly specials flyers is actually like break down the top, middle, and base notes of this scent, so that way we know exactly what we're smelling. So Scentsy says that the top notes, so those notes that you're smelling right off the top, should be pear, lemon, and bergamot. I definitely get the lemon. I don't get pear. I don't get pear at all. And the lemon, it's like a clean lemon scent. You don't smell it and think, oh man, this smells like a lemon bar. Like, this is not like a bakery lemon. It's more of that like clean florally kind of lemon, if lemon can be a floral. Mid notes are magnolia, ginger, and orange flower. I don't know that I smell ginger in this, which I think is good. I'm not a huge fan of ginger, but yeah, I don't smell that, but we'll see what happens when I start warming the full bar. Like I said, when I warmed this, the sample of it, I didn't smell much. So, and then the base notes, of course, are going to be your wood notes. So the cedar wood, amber, and sandalwood. So it's pretty. It's pretty, especially if you like the floral scents. It's just not going to be like, it's not making its way into my Scentsy club. Let's just put it that way, but it's nice. Okay, let me get these bars out of the way here because it is time to unbox this warmer. So this warmer is so super cute, and a shout out to all of my artsy, artistic friends. This is going to be something so much fun that you can do yourself, or maybe even have fun with your kids maybe. The warmer of the month is called Express Yourself. So it is the shape of an egg and it is designed like an Easter egg, but you get to color it yourself. So this is so much fun. We've had warmers like this before, where we had the